My role here, it consists of loads of different many things. It's cutting on the saw, cutting on the guillotine, loads of fabrication, loads of marking out, a lot of welding as well, MIG welding and TIG welding, stuff like that. And that's one of the things I like about it here. It's very versatile. I'm never doing the same thing over and over again, and it broadens my skills massively because I'm just doing a different thing every day. That's what I love about it here. My time at the AMRC, it was great. I did the welding and fabrication course. There was a wide range of different assignments to do, so you got different levels of complexity within the different types of MIG, TIG and plate work, stuff like that. The different ranges of technology really prepared you for coming into a business, so it gave you the confidence to do what you did at college at your company.
In my eyes, I think what makes a good apprentice is somebody who's willing to listen, willing to learn, also put the hours in, the extra hours, a bit of commitment basically. And Kyle has got that. He's always punctual, always willing to learn, and I think that's definitely what makes a good apprentice.
Well, my future here, it looks bright to me at the minute. I'm hoping to just keep doing what I'm doing, completing the work to the highest standard of what I can. The later future, I'm hoping to progress up to foreman level. My manager himself has already said that there is potential for that once the current foreman runs out of time here and retires. So I'm hoping to become that and sort of progress in this company because I do like it here.